Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Clemente Gomez. I'm a photographer in New York City, and today guys I want to talk to you about what type of LED light I use for my filmmaking, for photo shoots or anything, or for any type of creative things that I want to do. So I've been using this light for the past 2 years. This is the Aputure H198. This light, it goes around $50, $60 on Amazon. Now, why I'm doing a video about a $50 light, I'm gonna talk to you about why I'm doing this. The reason is, there's a lot of people out there, they don't have the budget right now to spend so much money in gear, especially in 2020. Now, for $50, $60, you're gonna have a light that is gonna help you to start creating content. If you're starting new on YouTube, or you're starting new in photography and you want to have a light that can help you to start creating content, but you don't have the budget, you don't have the money right now to put money out there, to throw money like that, because 2020 is a hard year, you know what I'm saying? So you can use this. This is a nice light that you guys can use. Like I said, for YouTube videos, you can use this. For food photography, you can use this. For like commercial, for promo videos, for anything you want to, you can use this light. Now the way it works, here in the back, you turn off the light right there, right? As you can see, it's really powerful. Give me like a nice light. Now it's not so much like way too much power, but it will solve the problem. Trust me, you're gonna like it. Okay, the light's pretty solid. Now, of course, it probably is gonna have more power if the battery was a little bit more charger, right? Here in the back, you touch it and it show you right there. It show you right there how much power of light you have. Right now, I don't have that much, and look at still how much power this thing has. You know what I'm saying? Imagine if it's full charge, right? So now the white balance over here, you change your white balance. So if you want to change your white balance, if you want to have the light looking yellow like that, I don't like it. Or if you want to have the light more white, basically here in the back, you open it and you have all your batteries, right? Or you can put like a big battery here in the back. You can put one of the bigger one, and you don't have to be changing the batteries in the back. For turn on the light again, you turn over here, and it's pretty solid, man. It doesn't feel cheap, it feels good, and I already told you, for the price you can beat that. Now you can guys get one of this. You can get the AVL batteries. I use this, the type of rechargeable batteries that I use for my flash, and for this small LED light. So again, for $50, $60, you're not gonna break the bank. And this is a light that you guys can use for all your video content, and even for photography or anything like that. So if you guys have any questions about photography, about video, about drones, and anything like that, please leave me a comment in this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Activate the bell so you know when I'm putting a new video out. And if you like photography, like I love photography, keep rocking those cameras. And never give up on your dreams, okay? Put goals in your life that you guys can make anything happen, okay? I know we're having a rough year. This is 2020, and it hasn't been easy for anybody, but you gotta keep your head up, and we all gonna be better after this. We're gonna be strong after this, and better days gonna come, okay? Subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one. Keep your head up.